ActiveCampaign is one of the most recommended email marketing and automation platforms for small businesses. But with plans starting at $15 a month and no free plan, is it actually worth paying for when free tools exist? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ActiveCampaign does, who it's built for, and whether the price is justified in 2026. ActiveCampaign is an email marketing and CRM platform built for small and mid-sized businesses that want advanced automation, deep segmentation, and a full sales pipeline in one place. It combines email campaigns, marketing automation, CRM, and sales pipeline management in one dashboard. What makes ActiveCampaign different from basic email tools is the depth of its automation engine. You can trigger emails based on subscriber behavior, website visits, purchase history, and dozens of other conditions without writing any code. It also includes a built-in CRM for managing deals and contacts through a visual sales pipeline. ActiveCampaign has 4 plans, all billed annually. The starter plan is $15 a month. That includes email marketing, basic automation, and standard CRM integrations. The Plus plan is $37 a month and adds unlimited automation actions, advanced segmentation, and landing pages. The Pro plan is $79 a month with premium segmentation and advanced CRM features. The Enterprise plan starts at $145 a month. There is no free plan, but all plans include a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. ActiveCampaign also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Pricing scales with your contact list size as you grow. The standout feature is the Automation Builder. ActiveCampaign lets you build multi-step automation sequences triggered by almost any subscriber action. Email opens, link clicks, website visits, form submissions, purchases, and more. The Visual Automation Builder maps out exactly how contacts move through your sequences. It also includes a built-in CRM with deal pipelines, lead scoring, and sales automation, so your email marketing and sales process stay connected in one platform. For e-commerce businesses, the abandoned cart recovery and purchase follow-up sequences run automatically once connected to your store. ActiveCampaign makes the most sense if email automation is your primary focus. If you're running a business where follow-up sequences, lead nurturing, and behavioral triggers matter, this is one of the most capable tools in the category at the price point. It's also a strong fit for e-commerce businesses that want deep purchase-triggered automation and abandoned cart recovery without paying for a dedicated e-commerce platform. Where it's less suited, if you need a free plan, GetResponse and Kit both offer free tiers. If you need agency multi-client management or white label, HighLevel is purpose-built for that. ActiveCampaign is focused on email and automation depth, not breadth of platform features. ActiveCampaign's 14-day free trial is available with no credit card required. Link is in the description. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee after you subscribe. I've put together a full review on the WealthForge tools site with pricing details and a comparison with HighLevel. Those links are below. All links are in the description. If you found this useful, the full review is at WealthForge Tools. Link in the description. If you're finding these reviews helpful, a like helps more people find them. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.